In this video, I'll guide you through how to reconcile bank transactions in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make sure your bank activity in Xero matches what actually happened in your account. First, open your web browser and go to Xero.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Xero account as you normally would. Make sure you're using the correct organization, especially if you have access to more than one business in Xero. Once you're in, you'll be on the main dashboard or whatever page you last visited. Next, click on the Home option in the main menu. This takes you to your Xero Home dashboard, which gives you an overview of your business, including bank accounts, invoices, and bills. The home page is the best place to start because it shows your bank accounts in a clear, central spot so you can quickly see what needs attention. On the home dashboard, find your business bank account. You might see several accounts listed, such as a main operating account, a savings account, or a credit card. Locate the specific bank account you want to reconcile. Under that account, look for the option that says Reconcile Items and click it. This will open the bank reconciliation screen for that account. Now you'll see your bank statement lines on the left-hand side of the reconciliation screen. These are the transactions that have come directly from your bank feed or from a statement you've imported. Take a moment to review these bank statement lines. Check the dates, the payees or descriptions, and the amounts. You want to make sure the information looks complete and that there are no obvious duplicates or errors from the bank feed. Once you've reviewed the lines, the next step is to match them with your transactions in Xero. For each bank statement line, Xero will often suggest a match on the right-hand side based on invoices, bills, or spend, and receive money transactions you've already entered. Look at Xero's suggested match carefully. Confirm that the date is reasonable, the contact or payee is correct, and the amount is exactly the same as the bank line. If everything lines up, you can accept the match. If Xero doesn't find a match, or if the suggestion is wrong, you can search for the correct transaction in Xero or create a new one directly from the reconciliation screen. For example, if you see a customer payment on the bank side but no suggested match, search for the related invoice. If you paid a supplier and there's no match, look for the bill in Xero or enter a new spend money transaction. The goal is that every bank statement line on the left is linked to the correct Xero transaction on the right. Work through each line methodically until all the visible statement lines are matched with the right transactions. When you're satisfied that a match is correct, click OK to confirm it. This tells Xero to complete the reconciliation for that line and update your account balances and reports. Continue matching and clicking OK until you've reconciled all the available bank statement lines. When you're done, your bank balance in Xero should closely align with your real bank balance, giving you accurate, up-to-date financial information.